Today we are going to take about nutrition in human beings or 10 body parts. In human beings there are large parts found in our body known as alimentary canal or we can say food parts, which is 8 to 10 meter long, and this pipe or this canal is divided into two parts. First part is known as small intestine and second is known as large intestine. So the food pipe or alimentary canal divided into two parts, small intestine and large intestine. When we eat food reach in mouth where the teeth and tongue are present. In mouth, or you can say in buccal 5 teeth, which are surrounded by our jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw teeth, breaks the complex food into simpler ones, and after chewing our food on for the chewing food, the saliva mixed with our food and tongue helps in this process. Now saliva is secreted by pairs of glands known as salivary glands. In human beings, there are 3 pairs of salivary glands which secretes saliva. In saliva, there is a carbohydrate digestive enzyme known as ptyalin. It is present in saliva, which digests or breaks the carbohydrate into simpler one, and another type of enzyme is also present in saliva known as lysozyme. Lysozyme is the microorganisms which are present in food. So in mouth, or you can say in buccal 30, ptyalin digests the carbohydrate and lysozyme kills the microorganisms which are present in. Now food sends air or further into pharynx, esophagus, and it reaches a blood structure or white structure known as stomach, where when food reaches in stomach, in wall of stomach, there are some glands known as gastric glands found in wall of stomach, which secretes gastric juices. In gastric juice, hydrochloric acid and protein digestive enzyme known as pepsin and milk digestive enzyme known as rennin are present in gastric juice. Hydrochloric acid makes the food acidic in nature and kills the microorganisms, and it prevents to dispose of food, and pepsin digest the protein into simpler one, and renin enzyme convert the milk into curd. There are some enzymes present in gastric juice which digest the food. Food live in stomach about 3 to 4 hours. And in stomach, when food mix this saliva and gastric juice, is make a special type of food known as chyme. Our stomach is divided into mainly 3 parts: cardiac, funny, and pylori. Here is a special type of sphincter muscles present. After this, stomach send food into small intestine. Small intestine is divided into 3 parts. First part, which is C type structure, or you can say U type structure in English, known as duodenum. Duodenum receives 2 types of juices or enzymes. First is bile, which received from the gallbladder of liver, and another enzymes which received from the pancreatic juice. Here, the bile, which made up of liver and stored in gallbladder, it helps to digest our fatty substances or fats which are present in our food. It breaks the fats into simpler ones. After this, pancreatic juice is also present in our duodenum. In pancreatic juice, there are 3 types of digestive enzymes: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Digestive enzymes present in our pancreatic juice. Bile and pancreatic juice both digested food in duodenum, and they break complex food into simpler one. After this, duodenum send the food in middle intestine, small intestine, known as jejunum, and food enters into the large part of intestine in ileum. In a small intestine, there are some glands are present which also secretes carbohydrate, protein, and fat digestive enzymes, for example, amylase, lipase, and CFC, maltose, lactose. These enzymes convert the carbohydrate, protein, and fat into simpler ones. Here, next part of intestine is known as large intestine. Large intestine, there have no any digestive enzyme. They absorb only water from the digested food, and the large intestine is divided into 3 parts: cecum, colon, and rectum. In a large intestine, only large intestine absorbs the water from the fecal and or you can say digested food. After this large intestine, it sends the food, undigested food, into rectum, which stores the undigested food, or you can say fecal matter. Fecal matter, sometimes fecal matter exit through a pores known as anus, known as excretion. In this way, in our elementary canal or through pipe, there are different parts. Here, a special type of organ which have no action in our body are useless, known as vermiform appendix, which are joined to the cecum or large intestine. This organ known as vermi or appendix, they have no, there is no action of this organ. This is accessory, or you can say a useless organ. In animals, vermiform appendix is a log which has capacity to digestion of cellulose or leaves, you can say. But there is no function of vermiform appendix in our body, but they attach to our large intestine. So in this way, in nutrition of human beings, food enters the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. That's all. True.